Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. Last week I posted a poll and asked you guys which project you wanted to see next. 40% of you said a Mother's Day DIY, so in today's video I show you 3 inexpensive handmade Mother's Day gift ideas using items that are mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with these Pillar Fresh Linen Candles from Dollar Tree. I removed the wick and the stickers from one of my candles, turned it upside down, and I glued a second candle on top. Next, I gave my candles 3 thin coats of acrylic paint in the color Blush Pink. I then added 3 rolls of these pearl gems. Next, I took a small amount of my blush pink paint and painted a second package of those pearl gems. I then added 3 rolls of my pink pearls to a second set of white candles. Many of you will remember that I used plaster of Paris a couple of weeks ago to make plaster roses. I'm using leftover roses from that project here. I'm also using a second mold to make plaster leaves. If you haven't seen the video on how I mixed my plaster, I'll leave a link to that video in the iCards above. As you can see, I've painted my roses pearl white and blush pink. I'll also paint my leaves with the pearl white paint as well. I then used Gorilla Construction adhesive to adhere my plaster flowers and leaves to my candles. I then added more of the pearl gems. I created a slightly different design on my white candle, and I allowed both candles to dry for a full 24 hours. And here's the finished look. When I saw these new candles at the Dollar Tree, I thought that they would be perfect for a non-traditional candle set. I used that same construction adhesive to stack 2 of my candles. I then took them out to a well-ventilated area and gave them 1 coat of silver metallic spray paint. I've decided to add glitter to the inside crevices of my candle, so I'm using Mod Podge, silver glitter, and the smallest sponge brush that I had on hand. I added a bit more glitter to hide the line separating my 2 candles, and when I was happy with my coverage, I gave it a quick spray with my Mod Podge sealant. And once my candle was completely dry, I added some of these 1/2-inch triangle mirrors that I picked up for a different project to my candle as well. And finally, for my third project, I'm using one of these glass iridescent bottles from the Dollar Tree, as well as some of their metallic gold rub-on transfer letters and bath soak. Using rub-on transfer letters is very simple. You simply cut out your letters, you remove the white backing, and you rub the letter onto the surface. These super cute glass decorated bottles are my absolute favorite this week. But which one of these is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.